our sulfur-crested Kakadu beauty. This bird prefer habitat on the edge of tropical and subtropical rainforest. It's a brown white with black corona. So guys, this is Bandit Magpie. Say Goldie mag-flex na iyang wings. So flex wings, Goldie. So in general, characterize their crest by sign of communication. We have three blue and gold colors. So earlier, doing basketball, walo si blue and si azul. So later, there's an exception. No, this word really found in surrounding people. Love, they can say yellow crest, but Nigel has got pure white. White. Sa Tribunal As, Halasco Luz.